Hey guys, welcome to another video from That Fire. Guys, today we are here with the Fike Twinplex Pro fire detection system 2-wire fire alarm panel, and also down here we've got a KAC conventional fire alarm panel which is wired directly into a programmable input. Up here we've got zone 1, which we have the KAC, no it's not KAC, it's Fike 2-wire smoke detector and heat detector, and over here we've got the Eaton sounder, which is conventional and it is wired to a monitored output on the panel. So to start this test, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to obviously put the key in, turn it, and we're going to obviously test it. Obviously that was a pretty basic test, so we're going to go down here to the call point. We're going to go ahead and test that. We're just going to so this KAC call point, I have got it taped, which is kind of embarrassing. I do have the glass cover for it here, but I haven't got it on at the moment because it's too much hassle. But if it gives you some comfort, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So we're just going to go ahead and press it. So we can see we've got the two fire lights up here, but as this is technically just a programmable input, none of the zones are on. But you can hear that these alarms aren't going to be going off because I've silenced it. But if I just go ahead and silence the buzzer, I'm just going to go ahead and reset the system. Whoopsies. For our final test, I'm going to quickly go ahead and... Alright, we're just going to quickly test this smoke detector. As we can see, that has activated, and there is a nice little LED on that, but we can see here that zone 1 has been activated, and I did just quickly type in the engineer code, which is 2009, and obviously you can see that makes a flashing light there, and obviously you can see here that the alarm is activated, and it's obviously silenced because it's on continuous. I think that pretty much sums up today's system test. I do have a surprise coming in the mail soon, so we're just going to go ahead and reset that. And I'll just leave the engineer mode, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.